Good morning all to those who are watching this video. Welcome to Let's Some Josh, and in today's video we are going to discuss what are data types and recap what you did in our previous video. Okay, so let's start the video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share and comment your doubts. Yeah, so in the previous video we discussed what are variables. So we discussed variables are containers that store data values. Okay, like you have a box of, like you have a dabba of complan. So what does that dabba contain? It contains complan. So that what's make it a dabba of complan. Okay, so this is what variables means. Variables are containers that store data values. Okay, it can contain certain data values like hello world 2020.5. Okay, example, if we did a program a equals to 10, we printed a and the output was 10. So for more detail, please check out that video. I'll give the link in the description. And we discussed variables through this diagram also. Okay, in today's video let's learn one of the types of data types. Yeah, let's start. So what are data types? Data types can be defined as the classification of categorization of data items. Okay, in simple words, we can say the types of data or the classification of data is called data types. Okay, so this is done. Now, there are 5 types of data. First is numeric, second is dictionary, third is Boolean, fourth is set, and the last one is sequence. Okay, so numeric contains 3 more further data types which are known as integer, float and complex number, which we are going to do today. And sequence contains strings, list and tuple. Okay, which will do these 4 will do in the following video. This is data type part 1. Okay, so this is the diagram of data types. So there are 5 types, as I told you: numeric, dictionary, Boolean, set, and sequence types. Okay, so numeric contains integer, complex number, and float, and sequence contains strings, list, and tuple. Okay, so now we are going to the practical, but first let's see what are numeric data types. So numeric data types contains number data types like integer values are 20, 14, and 17. Second, float values like 20.1, like decimal values are float values, and complex numbers are like this. So we have one integer, okay? We have this operator, we have again an integer, and we have s. Okay, so this complex is called a complex number in numeric data types. So we are over with our PowerPoint presentation. Now we are going to do the practical in ideally. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We are going to create a new one, and let me save it. Save as desktop files, my folder, Python tutorial, and data types. Sorry, types, and this is numeric. .py. Yeah. So If I write a equals to 10, okay, so this is integer. If I write this, it is a float. And if I write this, oh sorry, yeah, this, okay, this is a complex number. Okay, now if you want to see the types of data types which I'm writing, you can simply write or use type function. Okay, so print type A, print type B, and print type C. Now we are gonna run it. Now as you can see, the first one which I wrote here was integer. The second one was float. Okay, and the third one was complex. Okay, so we are over with the numeric data types. In the next video, we will cover dictionary. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and your family members. This is Satyajit Singh signing off. Thank you.